Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Flatbreads are really important to Indian cuisine. A lot of people do not make these flatbreads at home because of the use of tandoor. But I can't even tell you how easy it is to make it at home without a tandoor. Hi guys, I'm Bhumika and today I'm going to show you how to make garlic cheese naan. Let's make our naan dough first. I have 1.5 cups of flour here. This is Maida. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of yeast. Let's just mix this together using our hands. Now we'll add about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This will make the naan really soft. About 2 tablespoons of oil. Lightly mix this again. Half a teaspoon of salt. And now we'll make a soft dough using milk. You could also use water if you like. Once the dough comes together, take it out on your counter and start kneading. You'll have to knead this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Our dough has nicely come together now. Just pull it once. Form it into a taut ball and rest it on your counter for about 10 minutes. You can cover it using the same bowl. Our dough has rested well for 10 minutes. Let's check it. Looks good. Alongside, I've also started heating up a tawa. This is not a non-stick tawa, this is a proper iron tawa. Let's divide our dough into 6 portions. And we'll round these off. Just using your fingers, tuck the ends in, pull it together and leave it on the side. Now let's start rolling these out. You can use a bit of dry flour if your dough is too sticky. Mine is not, so I don't need any. The shape can be as you like, either round or oval or triangle. I'm going for a triangle. Now for the topping, I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of water on our dough. This is just for the toppings to stick so that they don't fall off. Some finely chopped garlic. Just spread it across. And some finely chopped coriander. Roll over this one more time. This is to ensure that all your toppings have stuck to the dough properly. Now we'll turn it upside down and apply some water at the bottom. Now when you flip the naan over, we are adding water so that it sticks nicely to the tawa, and it is very important to have a very hot tawa so the sticking happens very easily. It gives you that nice tandoor feeling at the back. And add it to your hot tawa. The bread has started bubbling now. Flip your tawa over and cook it on the flame. Now you have to make sure that the flame doesn't touch your naan so that it doesn't start burning. There has to be about an inch of distance between the naan and the flame. Our naan is nicely cooked. The toppings might burn off a bit, but don't worry about it. Now let's top it off with some cheese. So the next time when you make an Indian curry, take it up a notch with this cheesy garlic naan. Let me know about your experience in the comment section below when you try this recipe. Like this video and subscribe to Rajshri Food for more such recipes. See you next time.